everybody, and today I will show you how to use the VOOV meeting app. Yeah, it's with the picture the same like that. Firstly, we need to install the VOV app. Yeah, it is pretty easy that we can get into Google and install it. The same as the Zoom meeting here. Now we get in the VOV app. There will be two parts here. For the first one is meetings. I think it's pretty the same as the Zoom in the meetings in part here. Nice recording. This is where we will save the video in. Okay, now I will show you how to have the idea link for our class. First we click get back to the meeting part and click on schedule here, and there will be like some part here that we need to do. First, the topic. This is where we'll write the class of like the topic for our class here. Next is where we start the date and the time. Next, the duration. It depends on how long our class have been done. Like if our class is last for 1 hour, we'll choose 1 hour here. If it is more, we can choose 2 or 3 hours. Or we can also choose the select end time to the, like we'll choose the date and the time that we want to choose. Next, for the time zone, we'll choose like for here I will choose the time zone of Vietnam is like here the GMT 7 o'clock on Indochina time, Ho Chi Minh City. Yes. And after that, for the recurring, the calendar, security, mute and record, you do the same as here. Yeah, as we have click in and have the change for it. And for this, for the record, I think we'll choose the first one here, not the second one. Sorry for that. Okay, after we have end all of this, we click on schedule here. Yes, and we have the link here. And after we copy the link, get back to the Zoom meeting, and if we want to have the link of our class again, yeah, we'll see it here. Yeah, for me, I have saved here, and you click on this. I have the link idea. Get to the Google serve. Keep it in here, the ID link. Yes. And after that, we get in the yes, and if we click on join now here, we can have our class. And first is I think it's the same as the Zoom. And for the share screen here, I think choose CRPC audio so that we can have the sound. Yeah, it's the same as share sound in the Zoom meeting. So if we choose the CRPC audio, that the student can hear the sound from what you have shared. Yes. Okay.
Cứ để cái bên nãy. Thôi được rồi. Con mở sách này. Với cái bấm vào đây mẹ. Mở sách này.
Yes. Wait before leaving.
Nếu con cái phần dùng bút ở trong Zoom ấy, nếu mà không có thì bạn có thể dùng cái bút của cái này cũng được. được.
Yes, and if in the VOV meetings do not have the pens to use for the student to understand, you can use the pen from here. That like we can draw it easily on the book.
Rất là
Yes,
dễ.
and for the eraser, we can choose this to erase what we want to erase, or if we want to erase all, we can click on this to clear all what we have to write. Yes. Okay,
Cảm ơn
and
thầy
I
Phương.
think that is all for how to use the VOV meeting app. Thank you very much for listening.